Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how to add breadcrumbs in your website using Definite SEO plugin. Breadcrumbs help visitors understand where they are on your page and also help Google crawl your content more effectively. So in today's tutorial guide, you will learn how to add breadcrumbs step by step and in very simple way. Let's begin.
Alright. Now let's do the breadcrumb settings in Definite SEO WordPress plugin. Here are the steps. Just go to the Definite SEO's dashboard settings and click on breadcrumb settings. Here you can see. And after selecting the breadcrumb settings, this type of interface will appear. Here you can see. So first thing you have to do is enable your breadcrumbs. Like I'm going to enable it. By enabling the breadcrumb settings, the breadcrumbs will appear on the top of your pages and post. Here you can see. You can select the separator from the default of the Definite SEO plugin, like here. But if you want to add the custom separator, you can add the HTML entity code. Like I'm going to add the HTML entity code. Just enable this option and fill the code here. Like I have added and my separator has appeared here. Now let's move forward with the most important of breadcrumbs, that is homepage link and label. By enabling this option, your homepage will appear at the first place in breadcrumb path. So here you can see, you can select if you want to show your homepage link or you wanna hide it. I have selected the show button. You can customize your homepage link. Just add the link of your homepage here. You can also customize your homepage label. Like I'm going to give label home. I have customized my homepage link and label for the breadcrumbs. Now let's move forward with the another settings, prefix options. So first is prefix for the breadcrumb path. This is the main prefix that will appear in the starting of the breadcrumb paths. Like I have added the UR here. And second one is the prefix for page path. Like when someone will search on your page, you can give the prefix like what will appear. I have written the U searched for. And the next one is prefix for 404 page path. This prefix will appear on the pages that is having the 404 errors. Now the final one is prefix for archive breadcrumb path. This prefix will appear in the categories and tags archives. Like I have written the post type name. Here you can see. Now the final settings are show or hide post title in breadcrumbs. If you are enabling this option, then your post title will appear in breadcrumbs. Like you can select if you want to show it or you can hide it. And the next one is show or hide category in breadcrumbs. Like if you enable this button, your category will appear in the breadcrumbs path. And the final one is show hide blog page in breadcrumb. Like you can enable or disable it. I have enabled all the options. Now after customizing my breadcrumb settings, I'm going to save these changes. Alright, we have done the breadcrumb settings with the help of Definite SEO WordPress plugin. Now let's add the breadcrumbs by using the PHP code. Just copy the first code that is given by the Definite SEO in breadcrumb settings. Now go to the dashboard settings in WordPress website. Here you can see there is an option of appearance. Select it. And then there is the option of theme file editor. Click on it. And after selecting the theme file editor, select the theme of your website. Like I'm going to select my theme Astra. Select it. And after selecting, just go to the header.php file. Like here you can see. Alright, Now let's add the PHP code in the suitable place, like I'm going to place it here. And now just update the file. We have added the breadcrumbs by using the PHP code. There are other two codes also. Second one is for the blog editors. Like who are using the blog editors in their WordPress website, they can use the second code. And the final one and the third one is for the classic editors, like who are using the classic themes in their WordPress websites.
And that's it. This is how you add breadcrumbs in your website using Definite SEO plugin and make your site easier to explore. Thanks for watching.